my exact renovation, add $50,000 in value without overbuilding. Most investors renovate for compliments, not appraisals. Gorgeous kitchen, spa bath, flat appraisal, thin profit. I'm going to give you my exact scope of work approach that added about $68,000 in appraised value for roughly $24,000 in cost on a real flip. I'm Joe Holmes, broker, mentor, and investor, and I've managed more contractor bids than I can count. Here's how to make every dollar show up on the appraisal. Focus the scope where value lives. Exterior first impressions, kitchens, baths, flooring, lighting, in that order. Don't blow budget moving walls if the comps don't support it. Match what appraisers have to compare against. Use tiered finishes, A, B, and C packages. Pick based on ARV. Don't put luxury marble in a $400,000 house. Match the market and win the appraisal grid. Think like an appraiser. Pull the SOW comps the appraiser is likely to use and note the finishes. Quartz, LVP, tile showers, double vanities. Your job is to match or slightly beat them, not reinvent the wheel. Tie contractor payments to pass-fail milestones. Rough in signed off, pay. Final inspection passed, pay. No giant deposits up front. That's how projects drift from profits to evaporation. Document finishes with photos and SKUs in the SOW so there's no creative substitution. If you specified a Delta faucet, you're getting a Delta faucet. Quality control is mandatory. Blue tape, walkthroughs, punch lists, captain, and sign off before final payment. Time kills deals, so run a schedule with weekly stand-ups, penalties for late delivery, and bonuses for early completion. Need more help? Book a one-on-one call with me today. Payoff. On a real project, we've invested $24,000 into kitchen and bath upgrades using this system. The appraisal came in $68,000 higher than our baseline comps. That spread dropped straight into the profit. Not compliments, renovations for appraisals, not applause.